初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
我想开一个账户。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
I need to deposit some money.
I need to deposit some money.
我需要存一些钱。
I need to deposit some money.
I need to deposit some money.
I would like to withdraw cash.
I would like to withdraw cash.
我想取一些现金。
I would like to withdraw cash.
I would like to withdraw cash.
Can I get a bank statement?
Can I get a bank statement?
我可以拿到银行对账单吗？
Can I get a bank statement?
Can I get a bank statement?
How do I apply for a credit card?
How do I apply for a credit card?
我如何申请信用卡？
How do I apply for a credit card?
How do I apply for a credit card?
What is the interest rate?
What is the interest rate?
利率是多少？
What is the interest rate?
What is the interest rate?
Can I transfer money overseas?
Can I transfer money overseas?
我可以转账到海外吗？
Can I transfer money overseas?
Can I transfer money overseas?
I lost my bank card.
I lost my bank card.
我丢失了我的银行卡。
I lost my bank card.
I lost my bank card.
I want to change my PIN.
I want to change my PIN.
我想更改我的密码。
I want to change my PIN.
I want to change my PIN.
Can I update my personal information?
Can I update my personal information?
我可以更新我的个人信息吗？
Can I update my personal information?
Can I update my personal information?
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
你们有网上银行服务吗？
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
I would like to close my account.
I would like to close my account.
我想关闭我的账户。
I would like to close my account.
I would like to close my account.
Can I get a checkbook here?
Can I get a checkbook here?
我可以在这里拿到支票簿吗？
Can I get a checkbook here?
Can I get a checkbook here?
How do I reset my password?
How do I reset my password?
我如何重置密码？
How do I reset my password?
How do I reset my password?
I need a loan application form.
I need a loan application form.
我需要一份贷款申请表。
I need a loan application form.
I need a loan application form.
What is the loan term?
What is the loan term?
贷款期限是多久？
What is the loan term?
What is the loan term?
Can I make a mortgage payment?
Can I make a mortgage payment?
我可以支付抵押贷款吗？
Can I make a mortgage payment?
Can I make a mortgage payment?
How do I check my balance?
How do I check my balance?
我如何查询余额？
How do I check my balance?
How do I check my balance?
Can I pay my bills here?
Can I pay my bills here?
我可以在这里支付账单吗？
Can I pay my bills here?
Can I pay my bills here?
I need to exchange some currency.
I need to exchange some currency.
我需要兑换一些货币。
I need to exchange some currency.
I need to exchange some currency.
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
我需要哪些文件？
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
我可以开一个储蓄账户吗？
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
What is the minimum balance?
What is the minimum balance?
最低余额是多少？
What is the minimum balance?
What is the minimum balance?
Is there a service charge?
Is there a service charge?
有服务费吗？
Is there a service charge?
Is there a service charge?
Can I increase my credit limit?
Can I increase my credit limit?
我可以提高我的信用额度吗？
Can I increase my credit limit?
Can I increase my credit limit?
How do I cancel my credit card?
How do I cancel my credit card?
我如何取消我的信用卡？
How do I cancel my credit card?
How do I cancel my credit card?
I would like to report fraud.
I would like to report fraud.
我想报告欺诈行为。
I would like to report fraud.
I would like to report fraud.
Can you block my lost card?
Can you block my lost card?
你可以冻结我丢失的卡吗？
Can you block my lost card?
Can you block my lost card?
How do I unlock my account?
How do I unlock my account?
我如何解锁我的账户？
How do I unlock my account?
How do I unlock my account?
Can I request a new debit card?
Can I request a new debit card?
我可以申请一张新的借记卡吗？
Can I request a new debit card?
Can I request a new debit card?
Do you offer student accounts?
Do you offer student accounts?
你们提供学生账户吗？
Do you offer student accounts?
Do you offer student accounts?
Can I schedule an appointment?
Can I schedule an appointment?
我可以预约吗？
Can I schedule an appointment?
Can I schedule an appointment?
How long does the transfer take?
How long does the transfer take?
转账需要多长时间？
How long does the transfer take?
How long does the transfer take?
Is there a fee for withdrawal?
Is there a fee for withdrawal?
取款有手续费吗？
Is there a fee for withdrawal?
Is there a fee for withdrawal?
Can I apply for a business loan?
Can I apply for a business loan?
我可以申请商业贷款吗？
Can I apply for a business loan?
Can I apply for a business loan?
How do I set up auto payment?
How do I set up auto payment?
我如何设置自动付款？
How do I set up auto payment?
How do I set up auto payment?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please?
我可以拿一张收据吗？
Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please?
I want to check my credit score.
I want to check my credit score.
我想查询我的信用评分。
I want to check my credit score.
I want to check my credit score.
Do you have investment services?
Do you have investment services?
你们有投资服务吗？
Do you have investment services?
Do you have investment services?
Thank you for your assistance.
Thank you for your assistance.
感谢您的帮助。
Thank you for your assistance.
Thank you for your assistance.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。